handful of institutions, a new architecture is emerging. One built entirely on transparency, community, and on-chain logic. This is Xauras, a next-generation liquidity protocol DAO operating on the Polygon network. Xauras is not a company, not an app, not a centralized platform. It's a decentralized financial protocol owned by no one, guided by everyone, and powered by the XRS token. At its core, Xauras provides a seamless way to lend, borrow, stake, and manage liquidity with absolute transparency. No approvals, no intermediaries, no hidden conditions. Everything runs through smart contracts, autonomous programs that execute the rules exactly as written. The XRS token serves as the heartbeat of the ecosystem. It gives users governance rights, access to rewards, a voice in shaping how the protocol evolves. Here, decisions don't come from a boardroom. They come from the community itself, through the DAO. Xauras exists because the world needs a financial layer that is neutral, open, and fair. A system where anyone with a wallet can participate. A system where liquidity is created by the community for the community. This is what Xauras stands for. A protocol built on trustless technology, guided by collective governance. A design for the next era of decentralized finance. To understand how Xauras works, imagine a financial system that runs itself. A system where every rule is coded, every transaction is verifiable, and every user has equal access. Xauras operates as a liquidity protocol DAO. That means two things are always true. First, the protocol is powered by smart contracts. Second, the community governs its evolution. Everything starts with liquidity. Users can supply assets into the protocol, stablecoins, crypto, various tokens, and these assets form the liquidity pool. This liquidity is then used by borrowers who deposit collateral to access instant on-chain loans. There's no paperwork, no approvals, no waiting. The entire process is executed automatically through the protocol's smart contracts. Interest rates are dynamic and algorithmic, shaped by supply, demand, and DAO-approved parameters. Suppliers earn yield. Borrowers unlock capital. The ecosystem stays in balance through autonomous logic. And then comes governance. The XRS token allows every holder to vote on proposals, new assets to support, protocol upgrades, risk parameters, partnerships, fee structures, treasury direction. In Xauras, power isn't centralized, it's distributed. Decisions aren't made behind closed doors. They are made by the community through open, transparent, on-chain voting. This is how Xauras works, a trustless liquidity system running on Polygon, sustained by users and refined through the DAO. A financial protocol that operates like a living, self-governing organism, guided by code shaped by the community. Decentralization isn't achieved through a slogan, it's achieved through structure. And Xauras was built with decentralization woven into every layer. Xauras is decentralized because the protocol is autonomous. No human controls lending, borrowing, or liquidation. No administrator can alter balances. No backend server can censor actions. Everything, every rule, every interaction, every reward is defined by smart contracts that live permanently on the Polygon blockchain. The protocol's governance is decentralized too. XRS token Holders form the DAO, the Decentralized Autonomous Organization that oversees the protocol's evolution. They vote on improvements, decide how treasury funds should be used, and shape the future of the ecosystem. Access is decentralized. You don't need an account, you don't need someone's approval, you don't need an institution to verify you. A wallet is your gateway. The blockchain is your source of truth. The DAO is your community. Transparency is decentralized as well. Anyone can audit the contracts, anyone can track liquidity, anyone can verify collateral, ratios, interest models, and governance decisions, all on-chain. Xauras removes the hierarchy. It removes the human gatekeepers, it replaces trust with code and authority with community consensus. That is decentralization. And that is the foundation of the Xauras protocol DAO. The future of xauras is tied to something far bigger than a single token. It is tied to the evolution of the Xauras protocol DAO itself, a system designed to scale, expand, and adapt through collective governance. As DeFi continues to mature, xauras will become the key that unlocks the protocol's deeper layers. Future integrations will introduce more supported assets, cross-chain liquidity flows, advanced risk models, ecosystem partnership, and new earning opportunities. xauras will govern all of it. As the DAO grows, xauras holders will decide how the treasury is used, how yields are structured, and how the protocol expands into new verticals. Your vote becomes your influence, your stake becomes your voice. The protocol's vision extends into multi-chain liquidity, automated financial instruments, and seamless integration with dApps across the ecosystem. Xauras aims to become a liquidity backbone, a decentralized engine supporting an entire network of on-chain finance. The more the protocol grows, the more the demand for xauras increases, because the token is not a passive asset. It is the governance key, the reward layer, and the access bridge to everything Xauras builds. The future of xauras is shaped by utility, community, and innovation. Not hype, not speculation. xauras is the token that empowers a protocol and the community that governs it.